Hello guys, the new Cubot P80 will be released worldwide from today. The P80 has everything you need in a smartphone. With its sleek design and innovative features, the P80 is set to be the next big thing in the world of mobile phones. The Cubot P80 is a smartphone designed to give users an immersive and engaging experience like no other. At its 16.58 inches, its FHD Plus screen boasts a resolution of 1080 by 2480 pixels, offering crisp and clear visuals with stunning detail. Whatever in streaming your favorite shows, playing games, or browsing social media, the P80's large screen will make every movement like larger than life. But that's not all the P80 has to offer. With 16GB of RAM, 8GB plus 8GB extended virtual, plus 256GB of RAM, the phone can handle even the most demanding apps with ease. The 48-megapixel camera ensures that you capture every moment in sharp detail, while the MTK octa-core 2.0 GHz processor ensures smooth performance and quick load times. It is also coming with other features including NFC support or a large 5200 mAh battery, also a global network compatibility, ensuring you can use it in any country. As I said at the beginning, Cubot P80 will be released worldwide from today until April 21st. You can get it for an extra cheap price of only $119.99 on AliExpress. The official sales links is just below this video, and hurry up! That will be all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye.